How to get Claude Sonnet 3.5 for free. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to get Claude Sonnet 3.5 for free. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. We will discuss about 4 ways on how you can access Claude 3.5 for free. The first way, Anthropic's official website. The primary and most reliable method to use Claude 3.5 Sonnet for free is through Anthropic's official website. The steps to access are: firstly, visit Anthropic's official website and look for the Try Claude or similar option. Now, create a free account if required and start interacting with Claude 3.5 Sonnet through the web interface. The second way is mobile apps featuring Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Some mobile applications may offer free access to Claude 3.5 Sonnet as part of their features. The step to access this is search for Claude AI or Anthropic Claude in your device's app store. Download and install the official app if available. Next, create an account or log in, and finally, access Claude 3.5 Sonnet through the app interface. The third way is free trial periods. Anthropic or its partners may offer free trial periods for premium versions or Claude 3.5 Sonnet. You can utilize this by looking for promotional offers or trial periods on Anthropic's website, or sign up for the trial providing necessary information and explore full features during the trial period. Also, cancel before the trial ends to avoid further charges. And the fourth way is educational and research partnerships. Students, educators, and researchers may have free access through institutional partnerships. To check the eligibility, inquire with your educational institution or research organization. Look for Anthropic's educational programs or partnerships and use your institutional email to sign up if eligible. So, this is how you can get Claude Sonnet 3.5 for free. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Science for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.